Problem 3. Let A be a 3 cross 3 matrix such that A multiplied to a column gives a column. Suppose Q we have given, and then find AQ. We have to find AQ. Options are given. We have to understand multiplication logic. And logic is, we have a matrix A which is 3 cross 3, and we have a matrix Q also 3 cross 3, and Q is unknown. We have to find AQ. Which will also result in 3 cross 3. A matrix multiplied with Q. A multiplied with Q. A matrix, Q matrix, and this is AQ matrix. To calculate AQ, some hint is there in question. Whenever we multiply two matrices, we have our practice practices that first row multiplied with first column gives first element, which is A11. Next, first row multiplied with second column gives second element, which is A12. So the problem is not designed on this practice, where a matrix 3 cross 3 multiplied with another 3 cross 3 matrix gives another 3 cross 3 matrix when first row is multiplied with first column result in first element A11. Second column multiplied with second column gives A12 element. So problem is not designed on this practice. Here problem is designed on another practice, where when A is multiplied, a 3 cross 3 matrix is multiplied with Q 3 cross 3 matrix, result in AQ, which is also a 3 cross 3 matrix. So problem is designed on when first row is multiplied with first column, result in A11. Second row R2 multiplied with second row gives A21. When third row R3 multiplied with third column gives A31. So problem is designed on this practice. So we are getting completely first column of AQ. So we are completely getting first column of AQ. AQ equals A11, A21, A31. We are getting C1 of AQ, then we are getting C2 of AQ, then we are getting C3 of AQ at last. So logic is first row of A multiplied with first column of Q gives first column of AQ. So matrix A multiplied with second column of Q gives second column of AQ. So here in question, matrix A 2 minus 1 0, A multiplied with gives 2 minus 1 0. This is C1 of Q, first column of Q, and this is C1 first column of AQ. So matrix A multiplied with first column of Q gives first column of AQ. Therefore 2 minus 1 0 must be the must be the first column of AQ. So matrix A multiplied -1 to -1, which is in second column of Q gives -2 4 -2, and this is second column of AQ. Similarly, so option C is correct.